Welcome to this tutorial on how to use E-TRADE IRA, a comprehensive guide to help you navigate and manage your individual retirement account. First, let's start with the basics. An IRA, or individual retirement account, is a type of savings account that provides tax benefits for retirement savings. E-TRADE is an online brokerage firm that allows you to manage your IRA and other investment accounts. To get started, you will need to open an E-TRADE IRA account. This can be done online or over the phone. You will need to provide some personal and financial information, such as your name, address, and social security number. You will also need to fund your account, which can be done by transferring money from a bank account or other investment account. Once your account is open and funded, you can start investing in a variety of assets, such as stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and exchange-traded funds. E-TRADE provides a range of investment products and tools to help you make informed investment decisions. You can also set up a diversified portfolio, which can help you manage risk and achieve your long-term investment goals. To manage your E-TRADE IRA account, you can use the E-TRADE website or mobile app. From here, you can view your account balance, track your investments, and make trades. You can also set up automatic investments, which allow you to invest a fixed amount of money at regular intervals. It's also important to understand the rules and regulations surrounding IRAs. For example, there are contribution limits and eligibility requirements, and you may be subject to penalties for early withdrawals. E-TRADE provides a range of educational resources and tools to help you understand these rules and make informed decisions about your IRA. In terms of best practices, it's a good idea to contribute to your IRA on a regular basis, such as through automatic investments. You should also aim to diversify your portfolio, which can help you manage risk and achieve your long-term investment goals. It's also a good idea to review and adjust your investment portfolio regularly to ensure that it remains aligned with your investment goals and risk tolerance. Overall, using an E-TRADE IRA can be a great way to save for retirement and achieve your long-term investment goals. By following these steps and best practices, you can make the most of your IRA and set yourself up for financial success in the future. Remember to always do your research, understand the rules and regulations, and seek professional advice if you need it.